Where's that brush though? I just had it in my hands like... Hello people, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing my eyebrow routine. I'm taking you with me and showing you all the steps I do and what products I use. So I've got some requests asking me to do a brow routine, so here we are. First of all, as you may tell, I got my brows micro blended. It's been, I guess, 3 years already. Like, it's been a lot, but it's still there, which is crazy. So it's like it's easy for me to just like follow that shape, which totally makes my eyebrow routine easier. Yeah, so what do I need for that? I need like a eyebrow thingy like that. I don't know how you call it. How do you call it? Like a eyebrow brushy like that. Today I'm gonna be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills the Deep Brow Pomade in the shade Granite, which is a very deep black. My favorite my favorite eyebrow brush of all times, which is the Kat Von D brush, the number 75. And then you're gonna need some concealer to clean it up and also add some highlight to it. Wait a second. I also like using my Pro pencil from Anastasia Beverly Hills to add some highlight to my brows. And for the concealer, I like to use like a thin, like very thin brush, so I can go like all up to my brow bone, like without, like, I don't know, I can do like a or I can be very precise with it. So the brush I usually use, I don't know where it is, even though I just use it for my lips. I don't know where it went, so maybe my dog is having like a really good time with it right now. Anyways, it's a brush exactly like that, but it's already like, oh gee, it's already like a bit thinner because it has like already lots of concealer on it, so it kind of stays on shape, but it's not a big deal. And to finish the whole thing, I use like some gel mascara, which works perfectly fine on your brows. This one is from Essence, so like some drugstore product, not fancy. Lately I got myself this baby right here, which is the Precision Pan from this Bushy Brow collection by Lime Crime, and I'm seriously in love with it because like you can draw like your brows so exact and precisely with it, but then it's like a whole other process, and this is like, with the pomade, is like my to-go brow routine. So I just chose to show you guys how I did my brows wearing the pomade. So I'm gonna zoom in so you can truly see what I'm doing, otherwise you ain't see shit. And let's get started. Okay, so right now you can really focus on my brows and see what I'm doing. Okay, I'm gonna start by brushing them. Like I like to brush them all up like that. And by the way, like, this is my favorite eyebrow, so the left one. It will always look better than the other one. But I think that's the same with everyone, right? Please tell me I'm not the only one. And I like to use like a Jesus. Okay, I like to get like a little mirror like that, so I can really do like that, so I can see what I'm doing. What I do is I take a little bit of the product and put it right there, so I can, like, you know, just make it smoother. This way the color will be like more intense and the product will be more soft. Like, some people add some oil to it, which works as well. And since I don't have any of that fancy shit, that's the way I get it working. What I like to do is, here at the beginning, I am gonna do like some little baby brown hair. So let's see if my hands are gonna be like in front of it. I don't know. Like that. See? It's a difference already. Just like so. And then I start, like, on the top I start backwards, so like this, like doing some stroke, and that will be it. So we have the first one all again on the second one. So this, as I said, this was like my easy one. This brow, it's always on flick. Like this one, it's my problem child. Okay. Maybe I just put too much pressure on myself, because like the first brow is so good that I totally put myself under pressure, so the other one will look at least alike. I don't know. Somehow I managed to screw it every time. Oh gee. Like, can you see what I'm saying? Like, what the fuck is that? Oh well. Oh my god! I found it! I found the other one. The one with lots of concealer on it. So here we go, baby. Okay, I'm gonna, like, I don't do that. Like, I don't go with like a concealer on top of it, like above my brow. I don't do that. But since I did like a little bit of, like, can you, I don't know, I just like, I went like a bit like over the top, like, yeah, so I just wanted to correct that, so it's good now. Now, I lied before, this is not like my last step. Last step will be concealer. This is like the, like almost the last one. I'm gonna take my gel mascara. This is gonna be like my gel brow gel, whatever, and I'm just gonna like brush them up and make sure those little baby hairs are gonna stay in place. I hope I was on camera all the time. Like my eyebrow, sort of. I don't know. Like sometimes I keep doing like this. So then you're just looking at my hair. I'm sorry, I'm trying my best. Okie dokie, now it's time for concealer. I'm using the Kat Von D Lock-It Concealer in a very light shade, which is my perfect winter shade. This is the shade L1 Neutral. Just like that. Put in concealer like underneath your brow to highlight it, and then I like to blend it down there where I am gonna put concealer later on, or eyeshadow base anyways, so you will only have like a very sharp eyebrow. And won't have to worry with like the rest of the concealer right there, because you will probably be wearing some eyeshadow anyways. And I don't use much product like to do that, and I get like my, so here is like my concealer brush, and I just go with my brush on it and like tip tip tip, and then there's a little bit of product on my brush and I just work with that. Like I see some girls like putting lots of concealer. I don't need that. And when I'm on this tab, sometimes I see like a little hair which is just like out of line. So I just take my tweezers and pull it out. Get out of there. Out. Okay. Much better. Done. That's it. This is my brow routine. Usually it takes me like 5 minutes to do it. Today was like a lot of talking in between, and I was trying to show you guys what I was doing, so it probably took me like a little bit longer, but it's nothing really complicated. So you just need to practice and you'll find your way. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed it. I'm gonna make a little short version of that for Instagram. If you haven't done it yet, just like press the subscribe button and go follow me on Instagram. The link to it, it's gonna be on the description box below. What's wrong with me today? Okay, see you guys on my next video. Bye bye.